Hi, welcome to today's video, and today on our one take bicycle reviews we are reviewing the Apollo Highway, which is a hybrid bike from Apollo. Okay, the frame set. So you get a lightweight alloy tech frame set. You get let's start at the front. So the forks are steel. You get mounts for mudguards and panniers on the front. You get a sloping top tube. You get water bottle mounts. You get mounts for a rack and for mudguards at the back. You get a replaceable gear hanger, and you get mounts for your chain guard. These are really difficult to get hold of, so look after, if you're getting one of these or you've got one, look after these, because these are like hen's teeth. It's aluminium, but I think the key feature of the frame is that it's a really sloping top tube, really sloping. Okay, so the components. Starting at the front, you get grip shift, 18 speed, you get steel handlebar, alloy micro adjust stem, you get Tektro brakes, V-brake, Tektro V-brakes, you get alloy wheels, no name alloy wheels with Chenxing tyres, you get an Apollo saddle, you get steel seat post, you get an alloy rack, you get 18 gears, you get Shimano's lowest rated derailleur set. What else do you get? What have I missed? What have I missed? What have I missed? Plastic pedals. So that's the bike. That's the components. Right, the build, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the wells. Let's have a look. Right, let's zoom in here. They're quite tidy. They're quite tidy, I have to say. This one's been built quite nicely. This one here is quite tidy. So yeah, so the build's pretty good. Okay, so the look. Let's have a look. So, black and grey. It's quite understated. It does look, I think it looks a bit dated. I think it looks a little bit dated. I'm not saying it is, but it looks just, maybe that's the thing they were going for, I don't know, but I think it's the graphics more than anything that's making me feel like that. They just look, I don't know. No, it's not doing it for me, the looks on this one. Value for money. So, aluminium frame with 18 gears and alloy wheels. I've seen these on Gumtree for 40 quid. Now, don't get me wrong, that's not serviced, that's not checked. I've seen them between 40 and 100. Would I buy one? Okay, so we're getting into quite a deep conversation about would I buy one, because I think this has a specific market, and that market is people who bike to work. And if I wanted something that wasn't going to cost much money to run and maintain, I think, yeah, I'd buy one of these. If I was biking to the train station and had to lock it up all day, I think I'm not going to cry my eyes out if it gets stolen or damaged. So yeah, I think I would buy one if I needed something to get to work or to get to college or something, or university lectures. And yeah, so that's where I think his market is. So if this has helped you in any way, this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other one take bicycle reviews. We've got quite a few on there now. If you are the owner of one of these, or you've ever owned one and you love it or hate it, tell us in the comments. We love reading the comments on our bikes, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.